What's up, YouTube? So this is a little bit different. This is something that kind of changed my perspective on garage door openers. If you have like a master bedroom close to your garage and your garage door opener makes a lot of noise, or maybe you have a bonus room that you've turned into a bedroom above, or just really hate the sound of the garage door opener, this one here, I don't know if you can read that, but it's a Genie Silent Max 1000. This thing changed my life. It is so quiet, most people are amazed. Like, you can barely hear it. The more noise you hear is the door rattling, but it's pretty quiet. It doesn't have the typical chain. It's got like a gear. So, kind of a random video, but I feel like it's worth talking about because I love this thing. If I ever have to replace it, I'm definitely going to get a quiet one. If I ever move and it's loud, I'm going to replace it immediately, whether it's broke or not. So they're pretty cheap too, to be honest. And you know, I'm cheap. So if I would buy it over the regular one, that's kind of saying something. No, it was short, but I do all kinds of stuff with razors and my truck and whatnot. So if you're into that, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, same username. I'll link it below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time.